Hey everyone, let's use the new Lambda function today to calculate margins. So first let's create a column called sale price, cost, and margins, or margin. Let's give sale price a random number between, let's say 1 to 100. And let's move that over for cost as well. That would be a bad business, huh? Create something for $29 and sell it for $4. That's not a good margin. But anyways, we'll just randomize all this. So the old way of doing this would be equal to brackets, is the way I do it. Sale price minus cost, brackets, sale price. Uh-oh. Sale price. There's our margin. Negative margin's never good. And let's create that. Let's turn that into percentages. Turn these into dollars. So clearly, if you made something 55 and sold it for 4, probably not a good business. You're not going to last very long. Now, if you made something for $2 and sold it for 62, you're making 97% margin. That's pretty high margin business. But in the world of software, I think it's even higher, right? So this is the old way of doing it, but you can see it's, referencing cells. But so let's do it the Lambda way. So the Lambda way, the easy way first to do is let's, since we want to utilize the autocomplete features of Excel, so let's do that. So let's do Lambda. There's Lambda. So now it's saying, hey, what parameter? What's your first parameter? We'll call it sale price. Sale price. Comma. Second parameter is cost. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to put in the calculation. So the calculation is going to be brackets. Look at that. Sale price already pops up. That's kind of cool. Sale price minus cost, brackets, divided by sale price, and then end of brackets. So we're going to get a calc error here anyways, but that's okay, because the only reason we did that was just to utilize the auto-complete features and auto-suggestion features. So let's copy that first, and let's go over to formulas. Uh-oh. Let's go over here. Let's go to formulas, define name, and we'll call this margins or margin. So this margin name is going to refer to that Lambda function. And let's press OK. So let's create another function called Lambda, another column, called Lambda margins. So is equal to, look, shows up, and look, now it's just auto-populating, right? It's already telling you, hey, this function takes in 2 arguments, sale price and cost. So we know, see, it's much more readable, and it's easier. Cost, and that's it. So it's going to utilize our name that we defined prior with the Lambda function already associated with that name. And boom. So obviously we've got to turn these into percentages. So let's do a fill down first. We'll go down to here. And then let's change that to percentages, and they should match up. And they match up. So that's how you do it the Lambda way. And if you want to, you can delete this. But this margin, let's copy this, and let's do another one here. And then let's say you had to do the same thing here, right? So again, it would come up here again. Again, very easy. I mean, you get the picture. So of course, since it's in the workbook, it's going to be everywhere, even if you create another sheet. And let's say, let's go back here. Let's copy that. And let's do another, same thing. Let's do the margin. So equal to, see, so, whoops. So margin and sale price minus cost. So much more user-friendly, easy to read, and your functions look clean. You can define it with the name, so when you read it, it gives it context. Well, anyhow, hope you enjoyed this example, and I'm sure you'll come up with other examples, and you'll apply it in other areas where you need functions. And I hope that you found this useful. And with that, I wish you a blessed day.